Well, I thought I'd cover how I use the domino to construct cabinets, casework and cabinets. I first started using this technique when I used a biscuit joiner, and I have carried that forward to the domino, although in all instances it's not really necessary. This is AC plywood. It's just scrap left over from another project. I'm not going to use cabinet grade plywood for this demonstration. Basically, when you cut your pieces to length and width, I take some of the cut-offs and I make a jig to act as a spacer. And I just apply the spacer here, butt this piece up, and what I want to show you here is when I fold these two together, that the objective is to have the bottom flush. I don't particularly care for making a bunch of marks and then on both pieces and using the alignment marks on the domino to put that together. What I'll do is I'll make one mark on one piece and reference use that as the reference mark. I use these hold down clamps. I use my gauge to set this piece together. And just do a final check, make sure I'm good. And then I'll use one of the other scrap pieces as a reference piece, and what I'll do is I'll use the registration pins, cut the domino slot in the side piece, and then flop it around and use the registration mark for the end piece. And I'll do that on both sides. I will also mark the location of the other dominoes, and I'm just going to eyeball this, and I only need to do it on one piece. So I'm going to get the hearing protection on, and I'll show you how I cut my dominoes. When I set this up, I only needed to cut the wider widths on one end, so let's see how this fits. Dominoes fit fairly tightly, so just going to put them all in one. Normally I'd tap these in with a hammer, but for some reason they're on the other side of the room. And that's how I do my casework.